Hello, Mr. Chartered Accounting Tutor. Please, you can copy this question down as I go through it for our next class. Mr. Success Business Trial Balance as at 31st December 2025. Capital, we have 777,100. Capital 777,100. Purchases and sales 641,120. That is for the debit side. And for the credit side, we have 979,200. I take that again. Purchases and sales for the debit side, 641,120,000. And for the credit side, we have 979,200 naira. We have wages 99,850. Wages 99,850. Is that taken? For salaries, the next one is salaries. Salaries is 100,000. Salary is 100,000. Then we have motor vehicles. The next one is motor vehicles. In motor vehicles, we have 258,750 naira. Motor vehicles, 258,750 naira. Furnitures and fittings, that is the next one. Furniture and fittings is 111,240,000. Furnitures and fittings, 111,240 naira. The next one, we have freehold property. Freehold property, 150,000. Freehold property, 150,000. We have insurance. Insurance is 24,050 naira. 24,050 naira. The next one, we have returns outwards. Returns outwards. Return outwards is 100,000. Is that taken? Return outwards is 100,000. The next one is allowances for expected credit losses. Allowances for expected credit losses, which is 800 naira. 800 naira. The next one is returns inwards. Returns inwards. Returns inwards is 20,000 naira. Returns inwards is 20,000 naira. Next, we have office expenses. Office expenses, which is 11,960 naira. 11,960 naira. The next, motor expenses. Motor expenses. Motor expenses is 134,380 naira. 134,380 naira motor expenses. The next one is lighting expenses. Lighting expenses, 8,590 naira. 8,590. Account receivables. Account receivables. Account receivables is 201,600 naira. Account receivables 201,600 naira. The next is account payables. Account payables is 99,600 naira. 99,600 naira. Next, cash in hand. Cash in hand 24,930 naira. 24,930. Drawings 62,100. 62,100. Drawings 62,100. Discount allowed. Discount allowed is 300 naira. 300 naira. We have discount received. Discount received of 500 naira. Is that taken? Discount received of what? 500 naira. Bad debts. Bad debts of 200 naira. Bad debts of 200 naira. Rates. This one is rates. Rates 20,550 naira. 20,550 naira. 20,550 naira for rates. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards. Carriage inwards 82,580 naira. 82,580 naira. Provisions for depreciation. That is provisions for depreciation. Under provision for depreciation, we have motor vehicles 2,000 naira, and then furniture and fittings 3,000. Under provision for depreciation, we have motor vehicles 2,000 naira, and then furniture and fittings 3,000 naira. Inventories 1st January 2025. Inventory 1st January 2025, we have 10,000 naira. Inventory 1st January 2025, we have 10,000. So now additional information. Additional information. Additional information number 1. Inventory as at 31st December 2025 was valued at 152,460 naira. Inventory as at 31st December 2025 was valued at 152,460 naira. Is that taken? Then the second one, rates accrued. Rates accrued 3,110 naira. 3,110 naira, that is the rate accrued. The third one, insurance prepaid. Insurance prepaid 630 naira. Insurance prepaid 630 naira. Lighting expenses in arrears, that is the fourth one. Lighting expenses in arrears 1,670 naira. 1,670 lighting expenses in arrears. The fifth, bad debts written off 1,000 naira. Bad debts written off 1,000 naira. The sixth, allowances for expected credit losses should be 2% of account receivables. allowances for expected credit losses should be 2% of account receivables. 7th, provisions for discount allowable is 1% of account receivables. Provision for discount allowable is 1% of account receivables. Number 8, provisions for depreciation was made as follows. Provision for depreciation was made as follows. Motor vehicle 5% on cost, and furnitures and fittings 10% on reducing balancing method. I take that again. On the 8th, provision for depreciation was made as follows. Motor vehicles 5% on cost, and furnitures and fittings 10% on reducing balance method. 9th, freehold property was revalued at 200,000 naira. Freehold property was revalued at 200,000. You are now required to prepare statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December 2025. You are required, number 1, to prepare statement of profit or loss account and other comprehensive income for the year ended 31st December 2025. Number 2, you have to prepare statement of financial position as at 31st December 2025. Prepare statement of financial position as at 31st December 2025. And you are also required to show all your workings. Show all workings. Thank you. We will continue in our next class.